we're re-releasing Avengers Endgame on September 25th. We're calling it Encore because that's all it is. It's an encore for people to come back and get a chance in the lead up to our next Avengers movie this December and experience it again. We do have a movie coming out in December. We have a movie coming out this December, and it's called Avengers Doomsday. And when we were here a couple of years ago, I introduced you to two people who you knew very well, who are the only two people in the world with the energy and the creativity to pull this off. And is our directors, Anthony and Joe Russo.
Are you ready for the Doomsday show?
We can see all these happy faces up front. We can't see them back there. But we want everybody in this room to have the same awesome experience today. So what if we reconjure the back row of Hall H as the front row?
John
How's
Connor,
everybody feeling?
the Sentry, right. Louis Pullman, Red Guardian himself, David Harbour, returning his mystique, Rebecca Romaine, the great Kelsey Grammer as Beast, and James Marsden on Cyclops on the X stage. And on the A stage, we have the Black Panther, Letitia Wright. We have the King of Wakanda, M'Baku, Winston Duke. We have Shang-Chi, Simu Liu. We got the Falcon, Danny Ramirez. Captain America, Anthony Mackie. And Ant-Man himself is Paul Rudd.
So here we have Pedro Pascal. Haley Atwell. And Chris Evans.
I think someone very, very important is missing from this lineup. Who? Listen, 2 years ago we asked you to trust us when we tasked RDJ with doing a 180 from playing the greatest hero of all time to playing the greatest villain. And we knew we were going to have to assemble the greatest Marvel cast ever to try and stop him. And you'll see on December 18th whether they can or not. But without further delay, I want to introduce to you your Victor Von Doom, Robert Downey Jr.
Decisions will have to be made. You're this time either on the side of the good guys, or perhaps you may consider the alternative of perhaps joining the family of Doom. I believe you have all been equipped with what it might take to come over to the green side. And if you like, I invite you to don your masks and hoods.
Oh, no, guys, okay, this is getting a bit too real. We're gonna need some help. Guys, can you come join us? Come to the main
on
stage.
down.
Please,
Coming
please
down.
help, come.
Okay, they're on their way, thank God.
Yes, they're gonna come. Help, come on.
Who's this guy with the swords and stuff? Do you? What's on your mind, buddy?
Long-time listener, first-time caller. Huge fan. Look at that cast. When do you start filming?
Doomsday?
Doomsday?
It's Doomsday. When does
Yeah,
that start
we've
shooting?
shot-
It's in the can, bro. Look around you. Did you bump your head?
I see. So there's no additional photography, no overages, hot costs, maybe last-minute additions.
We keep making the movie until they pry it out of our hands. So
No further questions.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ryan Reynolds.